Hey guys, today for my kitchen I'm gonna show you how we can prepare this delicious strawberry cheesecake without baking and without egg. It's so tasty and delicious and super easy. So let's get started to show you this recipe step by step. For the first layer we have 400 grams of digestive biscuits crumbs. You have to use the food processor to mince it, and I'm going to add half a cup of butter, melted butter. Mix it very good. Okay, and now we have this tray. I'm going to add them and press down and level the layer, the first layer, which is the biscuit and the butter. I'm gonna use my hand, will be easier. Here we go. So I'm gonna put it in the fridge and prepare the cream layer. For the cream, I'm going to add 2 sachets of Dream topping, and each sachet needs 150 milliliter of milk. But for both, I'm going to add 250 of milk because I want the cream to be a bit thick. So you have to add less milk. Okay, so I'm going to mix them with the whisk. After whipping the cream, I'm going to add 1 sachet of vanilla sucre, and also I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. I'm gonna add some lemon zest, and finally I'm going to add a pack of mascarpone cheese, so the best for dessert. And here we go. This is the easiest cheesecake ever. No need to be baked and no need to add any eggs. Perfect. Here we go. So this is, we add in all the ingredients that we need for the cream filling, or for the cream layer. I'm gonna mix it very good and we'll be ready. Here we go. This is our delicious cream cheesecake cream. So by the way, all the ingredients are listed down in the description box. Now we're going to add the cream here on top of the biscuit and smooth the top. Now the second layer is ready. I'm going to add the strawberry sauce on them. Okay, so for the sauce we have 500 grams of strawberries. So I'm going to chop the strawberries and keep them like so. Here we go. After we chop the strawberry, now I'm going to add like half a teaspoon of grated lemon. Okay, I'm going to add on them 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra, and you can add sugar. You need 3 tablespoons of sugar, but I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of honey. The honey will melt later. Okay, so 2 tablespoons. I'm going to mix them all together. This is a saucepan. I'm going to add the ingredients here and cook them as I said. Okay, so now the water start to boil. I'm gonna let them simmer between 5 to 10 minutes until the sauce getting thicker and the strawberry cooks well as well. Here we go. This is the sauce after it's getting cooled down. So I'm going to pour it on top of the cream, and as I said, it should be cooled very well, cold not hot, otherwise the cream will melt. Okay, just smooth the top as much as you can. Here we go. We finished our strawberry cheesecake in really easy way and doesn't take too much time. Now I'm gonna pop it in the fridge between 2 to 4 hours, and it's very good if you can leave it overnight, but I can't leave it overnight. I have some visitors today, so I'm gonna open it and serve it later. See you after this. Okay, so this is after a few hours. Now we're going to open the tin and serve the cheesecake, which is, I think it needs more time, but it's okay. Oh, yummy, yummy. Look at this beautiful cheesecake. So now I'm gonna serve it. Check with me this beautiful and delicious cheesecake. Oh my god, it's time to taste it. Wow, so delicious. The first layer, it's super tasty. The cream with the fresh strawberry comes out absolutely outstanding. Oh, so guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video, and please leave me a like and subscribe for more videos. Stay tuned, and I will see you soon in another video or another recipe of food. Thanks for watching. See you soon.